It is better to be feared than loved.
We're running out of options.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Didn't know then, but we took every precaution. And now you're holding back, but I can hear the pain underneath your breath. I can feel the shame running through your head. I just wanna stop it.
Rose, I do.
I just wanna stop it. Where do you turn?